Imagine a world where every meal is a healthful journey, where salads aren't just lettuce and tomatoes, but a symphony of flavors from around the globe. This is a world where variety and nutrition dance together in harmony. Prepare to embark on a culinary adventure as we count down the top 10 salad recipes from around the world. Starting at number 10, we have the vibrant Greek salad, a medley of fresh veggies, olives and feta cheese straight from Greece. On the ninth spot, we find the classic Caesar salad, a Roman delight featuring crunchy lettuce and parmesan. Italy's caprese salad, a refreshing trio of tomatoes, mozzarella and basil, comes in at number 8. At 7, we have coleslaw, a tangy mix of shredded cabbage and carrots originating from the Netherlands. The French Niçoise salad, a combination of tuna, eggs and olives, takes the 6th spot. Halfway through the countdown at number 5 is the Waldorf salad from the USA, a sweet blend of apples, walnuts and celery. At number 4 is tabbouleh, a Lebanese salad featuring parsley, bulgur and tomatoes. Taking the 3rd spot, we have the fiery som tam from Thailand, a palate-awakening mix of green papaya, chili and lime. The 2nd spot goes to the creamy Russian salad, a hearty mix of potatoes, carrots and peas. And taking the top spot at number 1, the Cobb salad, a satisfying mix of chicken, bacon, eggs and avocado, all the way from the USA. There you have it, a tantalizing tour of the top 10 salad recipes from around the world, from Greece's Greek salad to Mexico's ensalada de nopales, Japan's sunomono to France's niçoise and more. So next time you're in the mood for a salad, why not take your taste buds on a global adventure?